In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard, and if you can't see a microphone icon at the top right corner, use this gear one. Now tap on voice typing and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or tap on the same microphone. You can also click on Minimize right next to microphone icon. Hit Next, choose Done and use it from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage more settings, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. You can also tap on the same gear as before. Select voice typing and click on this switcher next to emojis on toolbar to enable them. Over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!